All right, on the back side of our worksheet, as we continue on with histograms and class rank percentile here, or just actually percentiles. So in number 3, it says, how many pairs of shoes do students have? Do girls have more shoes than boys? Here are data from a random sample of 20 females and 20 male students at Hopkins High School. So it says, find and interpret the percentile in the female distribution for the girl with 22 pairs of shoes. So the question becomes, how many girls are there below 22 pairs of shoes? So I know the total number of females is 20. So I'm just going to count how many are below 22. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, it's below. So I'm looking at this particular student right here, how many are below. So 5 out of 20 would put them at 0.25, or the 25th percentile. So what does that mean in the context? So because it says to interpret. So tell me what it means. Well, it means that 25% of the girls sampled have fewer than 22 shoes. Now, we do the same type of problem or same type of question part B, but now we're looking at the male distribution, but we're looking at less than 22 pairs. Wow, that's a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 out of 20 is 0.85, or the 85th percentile. So what that means is 85% of the boys sample have fewer than 22 shoes, or pairs of shoes at least. So question C says, who is more unusual, the girl with 22 pairs of shoes or the boy, I apologize for that typo, didn't catch that one, boy with 22 pairs of shoes? Explain. Well, to be more unusual, okay, you need to be farther away from the center of, or 50%. So you need to be away from the center, which is at the 50th percentile. Okay, so this would mean the boy is more unusual since he is 35% away, while the girl is only 25% away. All right, the last question on the assignment, number 6, says Peter is a star runner on the track team. In the league championship meet, Peter records a time that would fall in the 80th percentile of all his race times this season. But his performance placed him in the 50th percentile in the league championship meet. Explain how this is possible. Well, if we think about how these times work, well, Peter's time, in this case, was slower than 80% of his previous times. Or his previous race times that season, but it was slower than only 50% of the racers at the league championship meet. So what's happening is the 80% is really comparing it to his race times, or his times, while the 50% is comparing it to the racers at the league championship meet. So it's comparing two different percentiles. Okay, that ends that page. So you can stop the video.